Good morning, students. Hope you all are safe at home. From last 3 months, our school is providing online classes to all students. But for the better development and to clear the concept of half-yearly examination, we have set worksheets of different subjects, and these worksheets have different shapes and drawings that will attract the children and they will enjoy to do it. In this video, I am going to explain you how to do the worksheet of English for nursery class. In the first page, we have written from A to E, and in the second and third line, we have written A to E in dotted lines. So, students have to trace over these dotted lines and have to write A to E in the space given below. And in the second page, same way, students have to trace 2 lines and have to write from F to J in the given space. You have to do third page in same way. We have written from K to P in the third page. Students have to trace 2 lines and have to write from K to P in the given space. In the next page, we have drawn a beautiful flower, and in this flower, we have written from A to P. And below this flower, we have drawn another flower and have given lines so that students can write from A to P in this flower. Students, what is this? This is a mango. And you have to write from A to P in this mango. We have given some lines, so you have to write from A to P on these lines. Students, the next page is very interesting. Can you tell me what is this? This is a tree. And in this tree, we have written some alphabets. Students, you have to find the letter M from these alphabets and have to circle the letter M. And below the tree, students, what is this? This is a apple. And in this apple, we have also written some alphabets. You have to find the letter P from these alphabets and have to circle the letter P. Students, the next topic is match capital letters. Students, you like to do capital letters? Yes. Okay, now I am going to show you how to match the capital letters. What is this, students? This is A. You have to find another A in this line. So, where is another A? Here is another A. So, you have to draw lines from this A to this A. What is this? This is J. Where is another J? Here is another J. So we have to draw lines from this J to that J. Students, you have to do this matching like this. The next is after letters. And for these, students, you have to read the alphabets very properly. What will come after C? D. What is this? This is I. And what will come after I? J. What is this? This is L. And what will come after L? M. What is this? E. And what will come after E? F. Students, what is this? O. And what will get after O? P. What is this? M. And what will come after M? N. Hope students you can do the L after letters. On the next page there are 2 leaves, and in these leaves you have to fill the gaps from A to P. And for this also you have to read the alphabets very properly. What is written here? A. We have to write B. C and D is written here. So we have to write E. F is also written here. Now we are moving towards next leaf. What is this? G. After G, what we have to write? H. I is written here. I, J. K, L, M, N. After N, we have to write O. So, filling the blanks is completed. Now we have to match the letter with picture. And for this, you have to recognize the pictures very carefully. First, what is this? K. What we get from K? Kite. This is M. What we have to match from M? Mango. This is F. What we read from F? Fish. So we have to match with fish. What is this? I. I for ice cream. So we have to match I with ice cream. What is this? L. L for leaf. So we have to match L with leaf. Now our last topic. What is students? What is our last topic? You have to circle the correct letter according to picture, and for this you have to recognize the picture very carefully. Students, what is this? Jug. So we have to circle on J. What is this? Leaf. So we have to circle on leaf. What is this? This is mango. And M for mango. So we have to circle on M. What is this? I. I for ice cream. So we have to circle on I. What is this? O. Owl. So we have to circle on O. What is this? Ball. So we have to circle on B. Students, hope you have enjoyed while solving this worksheet. We hope this worksheet will be helpful for all the students and they will enjoy to do it. But I request all the parents to collect this worksheet from the school office. Soon we will meet in next video with another worksheet. Till then, bye.